Seeing a fail to connect message on your hexing meter can quickly become annoying, especially when readings stop updating or the meter refuses to communicate properly. Many users notice connection errors appearing suddenly, delayed updates, or the meter failing to sync after power interruptions or network changes. Sometimes the meter display still works, but the connection issue simply refuses to clear. In many situations, a hexing meter fail to connect issue can happen because of temporary signal interruptions, communication problems, power refresh needs, or system syncing glitches. Before pressing random buttons repeatedly or assuming the meter stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the hexing meter connecting properly again. 1. Check whether the hexing meter has stable power and confirm the display responds normally. 2. Restart the connected network device or communication unit. If your hexing meter relies on one for syncing, 3. Wait briefly and check whether the hexing meter reconnects automatically after signal refresh completes. 4. Inspect nearby connection equipment and confirm no loose cables or interruptions affect communication. 5. Check the meter display again and confirm whether the hexing meter connection error disappears afterward.